If you want to get in the best shape of life with a jump rope, consider a heavy rope. It 10x's your progress on most things. You'll notice that you'll burn fat faster with that heavy jump rope. It's not the heavier the better, it's really more the more consistent the better. So I recommend getting like a 3-pound jump rope, and it'll help you burn fat faster, and you'll notice that you'll get in shape, you'll actually get some cardio in, and you'll love it. Now I have 4 more tips to help you get in the best shape of your life with a jump rope, so stay tuned. Welcome to Muscles by Marcell, where we help you make the world your gym. Videos up every Sunday, so hit the subscribe button and notification bell. The next tip that I have for you is have a plan. 10 minutes of jumping rope equals a mile of running. To me, that sounded beautiful because it takes a lot longer to run a mile than to jump rope for a mile. So I would jump rope for 1 minute, take a break for about 30 seconds, jump rope for another minute until I reach my 10-minute goal. After that, I would consider myself done. Now doing that helped me out with my endurance. And you'll notice that just helps you out with your everyday life. You'll notice it in things like just carrying groceries and things. So this was a great help to me in getting in shape. The next thing that I did was learn a new trick. It was just fun after jumping rope straight up and down over and over again. It gets a little boring, to be honest. So you want to learn a trick. You want to learn how to do something, double unders. I even made a video about how to learn double unders a little faster. Check it out right here. Tricks are not only fun, but doing certain moves will help you build other muscles in your body that you're not even aware that jump ropes do. So doing tricks were fun, helpful, and one of the greatest tips I have. It just makes jumping rope more enjoyable. My next tip is taking a break when you need it. Don't jump up and down all the time. The recovery process is a big part of getting in shape. You have to rest your muscles at some point and ice your knees to make sure they're good to go. Now I ice my knees often and make sure that I'm jumping on the proper surface. Soft surfaces are your friend. Jump rope mats are your friend. The next tip is make sure you have the proper jump rope form. Jumping rope without the correct form can not only be frustrating, it can also be a little dangerous. If you don't have the proper form, you can trip on the rope. You can hurt yourself, hurt your knees by jumping on the wrong surfaces, having your hands in the wrong place. It just becomes a frustrating experience, and it can turn you off from jumping rope and hurt you from learning any new cool tricks that you want to learn. Because if you have a bad jump rope form to begin with, everything else will be bad. Now, if you're having a problem with your jump rope form, make sure you check this video out right here. I'm sure it'll help you. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later.